Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about push notification. I already know I have a lot of videos on push notification, but this one is like the going to be the best video regarding the push notification. So push notification is very critical part of our application. In modern days, we need to implement push notification in every application, and today we're going to implement push notification using Notifee. So I was planning to create a push notification package to make it easy for everyone. I almost completed for the Android portion. Then I realized that this package is free now, open source. It was a paid version. Now it's open source, and there is no point to create a different package for that, because this package solves every problem that you faced in the past using regarding the push notification in React Native. So the package is Notifee. So before going to the package, first we're going to create a project for this video. So we're going to create a project using React Native CLI. I'm going to name it push notification Notifee React Native. So by the time it's creating the project, we can have a look for Notifee. So first, if you go to the documentation section over here in the installation section, the documentation is pretty much like clear. It's the best documents I can find. So just need to install this package. You can use npm or you can use yarn, and just need to add this thing for Android, and for the iOS you don't need to add anything. You also support the expo. Just need to add this thing in the app.json or appconfig.js for the expo. And in this video we're going to cover the basic display notification features for using Notifee, and also help with a lot of problem that we faced in the past, like handle notification click and send data, receive notification in foreground, background. In every scenario we faced couple of issue using different packages in different version or something. But using this package, I was stuck in a project regarding this notification, because in some device it's working, some device it's not working. So I switched to this package, and it's almost it solved every problem that I faced, and it's so easy to implement, and it's so easy to handle every situation. We have a lot of things over here. We can display notification, we can update notification, we can in the event section we have foreground event, we can unsubscribe, subscribe, background events, notification clicked, dismiss. You can see event I pressed, dismiss everything, and the trigger also. And so we can trigger the notification whenever we want, and a lot of features are included in this particular package. So first we're going to install this package. Yeah, our project is created, and we're going to install the package. So after installing the package, what we need to do, for the Android we just need to add this maven in build.gradle file, and for the iOS we don't need to add anything. But for the iOS, it's pretty hard to make a video regarding the iOS, because first you need a real device, because in iOS simulator you won't receive any notification. Then you need a App Store account. You need to App Store account ID to the Firebase in order to receive the notification. There are a lot of things. I'm just gonna walk you through what are the things you need to do using the documentation. But I hope in future we're gonna make a video regarding the iOS push notification as well, but for now it's not possible. Okay, so after this installation complete, and also in this video we're going to just simply work on the display notification. And if you need me to make another video regarding receive notification and handle that notification click, because sometimes we need to implement that feature notification clicks, because sometimes we need that somehow if someone click on notification, they will inside our application it will open a separate screen for that particular based on the notification click. So if you want me to make a video on that, please comment your thought in the comment section. Now I'm going to, sorry, not this one. Now first we're going to install this package. I guess we did install, yeah, we did install. And now we're going to open that in our VS Code, and we're going to open build.gradle, and we're going to add that Maven. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Yeah, so after that we added our, now you're going to add our project to Firebase. So if you don't know how to add your project to Firebase, you can watch my previous video in chat app application section. You can find maybe second video, third, you can find how to add the project to Firebase. And regarding the chat app video, so we're going to also implement the notification part in chat app section. So we're going to use this particular package. So if you haven't checked that out, please go check that out, or I will also mention the playlist link in the description. Yeah, so now after adding our project to Firebase, now we're going to run the application. Getting some error while you're trying to run the application. So the issue was trying to run was regarding the Android 12, because right now we have a version of Notifee version is 4.0.1, so it's compatible with Android 12. So we do need to change something in our project. First we need to change the compile SDK version is 31 and the target is 31, and the build tool version is 31.0.0. that's for the Android 12. And in the Android manifesto XML we need to add this exported true, that is required for Android 12, and also need to add this dependency to work on Android 12. And if you don't want to make your app compatible with Android 12 and you still want to use this package, so you can use a previous version that I used. It's 3.0.1 instead of 4.0.1. You can use 3.0.1, so you don't need to change anything in your project to run your application. So yeah, so we did the change, and in case you are having issue in order to run the application for Android 12, you can make these changes over here, export it true, and this adding this dependency, so your app will be up and running for Android 12. Yeah, so we added our project, we can run our project, we change something for change a couple of things to make compatible with Android 12, and our package is installed. Now we're going to implement the things they are provided. So for display notification for basic users, you just need to import this. For display notification, you need to import this inside your, so we will add the whole thing that they provide. Let me add this one. So we will add horizontal, so we don't need for this. And also keep in mind the version is 4.0.1. app.js, and also going to import this thing at the top. And now if you click on save, and need to center the button, Yeah, so let's see what happened if you click on display notification. So after click on display notification, we are getting an error. So the error is, it's saying invalid notification, no valid small icon. So the reason why it's we are not we don't have this icon. You can also change the icon. By default it's this one. So if we pass this one, that is the app icon, IC launcher. So if we click on display notification again, and here you can see we have something that is notification title, main body content of notification. As we provided this thing over here. So we can like now right now we are receiving the notification, and if we change the title again, and also this thing for display notification you need to create a channel ID using the create channel function. You can pass anything you want, ID, name, description, so it doesn't matter. You just need to pass this value and then you need to call this function display notification, and then need to pass this thing to display notification. So if you click on display notification again, after clicking on save, if you click on display notification again, we should see notification title 2. Yeah, you can see notification title 2. You can see the app icon. Right now it's not showing the application. It's I don't know, maybe in your emulator or something, emulator issue. So you can see the notification. Now if we are going to send the notification from our Firebase, and the app should receive the notification. So if you click on review and publish, so the notification is published, but I don't think we will receive any notification over here, because we implemented the display notification. It's kind of local notification inside your application, but we haven't implemented anything regarding the notification you're receiving from that Firebase. So for that particular scenario, if we go to the document, so this one is update notification. Update notification means so whenever you are displaying notification, we have a ID. So based on that ID, you can update the notification later if you want, and you can also have a cancel notification. So I'm gonna show you this thing in a bit. First, let me show you how to receive a notification. Okay, so Firebase notification. In order to receive the Firebase notification, we need to implement the Firebase. We can simply open this, we can install this thing. If you go to React Native Firebase, you can also search for React Native Firebase. Yeah, so we need to install this Firebase app, and you also need to install the messaging service. So for Firebase notification, we need to install these two packages. And so what we need to do, so this one is for the permission, in order to request permission that is required for iOS, and maybe in Android as well in future version, because Android also upgrading lot of stuff. So this one is for the permission, and we're going to add this in our project because permission is required. If you want to see the permission status, you can see that. You can do your own logic but when I'm going to do all of the stuff, I'm leaving that to you. So we're going to add so we added our request permission function. So try to add this inside your app.js, not in a different file. So whenever you open the application, if the permission is required, it will simply ask for the permission. And you also can put create a separate function, and based on the permission you can see the show the notification and do whatever you want. So that was that thing. And so now we have to implement that if you are receiving any kind of notification, it should show in this. So if you receive any kind of notification, so you will pop an alert. Maybe hopefully we added our package. Okay, so I just had to rerun the project. Now everything is working. And so there was an issue, and also I solved that issue as well. And now if we send this notification again, so we should receive that notification in alert that a new FCM message arrived. So let's hope that's work. Okay, there was an error. I don't know what was that. It's saved to draft. Okay, so delete that one, create a new notification. Target this app. So the reason why we are not receiving that notification in that maybe we forget to add something. Why we are not receiving any notification? Yeah, you can see we received a notification from Firebase, and now we are receiving notification. So let's see what we are receiving in the console. So based on that, we're going to implement a function, and this one we will call local notification, and we're going to implement another function. I'm going to implement one function. So when we receive data from Firebase, or we can simply merge that into one function in future, but for now we're going to create a different function for whenever we're going to receive a notification from Firebase. So if we put a console for our remote message, and I'm going to also put JSON stringify to see all the data. Now if we reload our application and send a notification, let's see what happened. I don't know, maybe somehow there is a problem while trying to duplicate the notification. So for now I'm not going to duplicate that. We're going to create new notification every time. Campaign saved, campaign started successfully. We receive a notification and we can see the data of that notification as well. By the time we're not getting notification in the notification bar because we haven't implemented that stuff. So first we're going to see what are the data where we are getting from notification. So the first thing we are getting that from key and notification send time, and said that we have a data. We have nothing inside the data, but inside the notification we have something. We have body, we have title. So based on the body or title, we're going to display the notification. Okay, so whenever we receive a notification, we're going to call a function, and we're going to call a function. We're going to copy this function. We're going to call it display notification, and we're going to pass that remote message data, and channel ID we're going to leave that as default, and for that particular title, so inside the data we have notification, and inside that we have body. And for this one will be title, and for the body we have body, and just leave everything as default. Notification object, we have title, we have body. So now if we click on save and try to send a notification, so now if we check and if we publish the notification, so we're supposed to have a notification in the notification bar. We received the notification. No, we haven't received notification yet. Notification received, and test is body. So we haven't received the notification yet, and this data is for the data that you are going to. So if you are implementing something that in the notification clip, it will navigate to different things. So based on that scenario, you need to pass some data in notification. So that data is this one. It will need in future, not right now. Why it's taking? Yeah, so we have something. We received the notification, but there is an error. The error is we forget to add this inside this thing. So we need to send a notification one more time. Now we haven't received the notification yet. Sometimes it's getting some time to get the notification. Yeah, we received the notification. It's taking too much time. We added this thing wrongly. So again we're going to send another notification and check if it's working. Sometimes it's getting taking too much time, maybe because of the emulator. Real device, it's received the notification in a second, but it's taking time over here. As you can see, we received the notification, and in your app you also received a notification testing and test body. Seems like everything is working. Yeah, so let's test one more time. This package allow you to modify a lot of things in our application. It also allow you to modify the notification as well. Yeah, so you received a notification, and you can see that over here as well. So we are getting the notification, and also regarding that notification modify, you can also modify the notification, change the color and everything. Let me show you. If you want to change the, if you can copy this thing and paste into this, and click on display notification, so you will get a colorful notification. So using HTML you can also change the title, body, and the action icon as well. So you can modify almost everything using this package. So now for background notification when our app is closed, so we need to add couple of things. So we're gonna add that in index.js file. So you need to add this on background event, so it will handle that background notification and event type. So what we need to, why are we importing this event type? Because whenever you click on the notification, so your app is closed, so whenever you click on the notification, you want the notification to be marked as read, and also want to remove the notification on notification click. So we're just doing that over here. You can also do a couple of things, maybe call an API or update something else. So for now, just in notification click, we're going to remove the notification and mark as read. And then so suppose now our app is closed. Now if we send a notification from the Firebase, we should receive a notification. So now if we send a notification, so now we should receive a notification when our app is closed. So we are gonna receive a notification very soon. I don't know why it's taking too much time, so maybe because of emulator or maybe we're running the application, but in real device we receive the notification in maybe 1 to 5 seconds, but it's taking time, and I'm going to receive the notification. It's successfully completed. Yeah, we can see we receive a notification. It's taking some time, but we received a notification, background notification test. So now if we click on the notification should be dismissed, and it should open our application. Now if we click on the notification is dismissed and our app is open, and you can see no task register for key React Native Firebase. That means we need to set a background handler. If you don't know, no worries, it will work as well. So now we receive a notification where app is closed and then the app is open. You can also receive the notification and also use a local notification, and also see the notification cancel. You just need to pass the notification ID to cancel the notification. And so let me know if you want me to create another video based on the notification click. So in order to when you click on the notification, it will navigate to a separate screen. Okay, that is one thing. And for the iOS portion, let me show you the iOS. What we need to do for the iOS. Okay, for the iOS setup, you need to generate iOS credential. You need to add your project to Firebase, and you need to download this info split and open Xcode and click on that project folder, and then add files to that. And after that, you need to select that particular info.split file and check this thing and add. And then in app delegate.m, you need to add Firebase. You need to add this thing, configure, and then for the notification, where is the messaging portion? So here you can see it says setup iOS with Firebase Cloud Messaging. So in here, what you need to do, you need to sign in and capabilities. You need to add the push notification permission over here. First you need to click on the project folder, then signing and capabilities, then you need to click on this target testing, and then you need to add capabilities. Then you need to search for push notification, and after that you need to enable the background models. You need to again click on the capabilities, then need to add background models, and also need to after clicking on that in all section, you need to enable this background page and remote notification. And in the app store, you need to go to the app store. In the app store, you have the certificates and ID section, and click on that and register your application. And also need to enable this Apple push notification service, and also need to provide a key name. and after that you can see the key name and this thing, and you need to download that file, and also need to copy this key ID because it won't be visible after that, so need to store that somewhere. And then in the Firebase section you need to go to the Firebase section and you need to upload the key file that you just got from that Apple store, and also provide the key ID as well. Then you need to register your application with the particular ID, the bundle identifier, like we have in the package ID for Android as well. And then you need to go to the register app ID and need to register this bundle ID, this ID into the app store. And then you need to enable the push notification here as well. Then it will generate a certificate, and this certificate we also need to add inside our Firebase, I guess. Yeah, no, you don't need to. Yeah, so it will after adding all of the things, it will create a certificate for you, and then you can simply install the application in a real device and check if the notification is working or not, because in simulator the Firebase notification does not work for React Native, or maybe Apple as Swift as well, I don't know. But for React Native, for that testing you need a real device. So using this package you can customize a lot of things. You can do a lot of things, like you can change the sound. If you want to change the sound, you add a custom sound, you can do that. You can also the vibration, lights, and the ongoing over here, and the full screen. I don't know what is the full screen, but I guess something. So yeah, so that is the thing. And also the foreground services as well. You can add foreground services easily, just need to follow the documents. Okay, so let me know if you want me to create a separate video based on that notification clicks and handle notification clicks and navigate the user to a specific screen, or you want me to create a video regarding the foreground services, sounds, and a lot of things. You can check out a lot of things. You can give it a try for testing and check all the stuff that they provide. Yeah, so that is I guess that is pretty much it for this video. And so in this video implemented push notification using Notifee, and also handle background notification as well. So all the things are working as expected, and it will work on like most of the devices, I guess in all devices, but maybe some devices are not I don't know, maybe working on every devices, because in my case it was not working with the Samsung devices with the different packages. That is the most popular one, the third-party package, but using the Notifee it's working with every packages and working in a proper way. So everything is working as expected. And yeah, so that is it for this video. And let me know if you want me to create a different video for the other stuff as well. And if you're new to the channel, please go to my channel, browse stuff. If you like my content, give a subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a like, share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me suggest the next video topic as well. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.